the S3 storage service operates with buckets. The buckets security can be determined at bucket level or individual level, and is determined by access control lists or the policies regarding access or the bucket itself, and it contains an access log so you can see who accessed the buckets and objects, and you can enable versioning to create multiple versions of your file in order to protect against access. So enable versioning is basically when you create multiple versions of your files to protect against if it gets deleted or edited. And yeah, just so you can just have multiple versions. And it's a regional service, but the bucket names must be globally unique. So the bucket, it could be private, public, just like a regular file, but the security level is determined by the bucket itself or the individual, done by access control lists or the policies of the bucket. There's access logs for you to track who accessed the buckets and the objects, and you can enable versioning on the objects in case like you want to prevent the original file being deleted. You also have another version there, or like if someone modifies or edits something, yada yada. And then there's also it's also a regional service, so the bucket must have a unique global name. Oh, okay. And data accessibility, durability, and availability are two very different aspects of data accessibility. The definition of durability is the durability of data is basically the ability for it to not get compromised or messed up. So the S3 is supposed to be durable and available, meaning the data won't get messed up and you can access it quickly when you need it. That is the main thing. Oh my god. S3 storage classes. There is the S3 standard, which is for frequently accessed data. You can store data across multiple availability zones because you will frequently access that data. And then that's standard. And then there's intelligent tiering, which is when you want to automatically move your data to the most cost-effective storage class. But that's what makes it intelligent. It automatically moves it to the correct storage class. And this is good for data with unknown or like unpredictable access patterns. So that's why standard, you want to use standard when you have data you will frequently access. But then intelligent tiering is good for data you don't know the pattern of access. So that way you use the intelligent tiering to automatically sort the data into the appropriate. I'm gonna be signed out.